This is the Palawan Beach, Singapore, and this is hanging bridge that is really interesting to cross and it's very enjoyable. You will feel drunk even you didn't drink. Uh-oh. See, people act like they're drunk actually. Oh, careful. Ooh, careful. Oh, are you drunk? I'm not holding it, but it's like, without drink, it's like you're drunk. And then people. Oh, that's nice view of Palawan Beach in Singapore. And people crossing the bridge here, and they all looks like drunk because it's swinging. The bridge is so narrow and hanging, so you can see that it's all the way long way. And yeah. Oh, careful, careful. We are at the entrance at the end. Oh, careful. It really makes people like they're drunk. They have to hold and walk very carefully. All right. We are reaching at the end. Sorry. Alright, finally we are landed. But it's nice. I want to show the bridge here. The one we crossed. There you go.